Hi, welcome back to He Works, She Reviews YouTube channel. As we review more products, as I said before, this is a channel for reviewing products, reviewing restaurants, tech products, tech news, life advice, commentary, just about anything we feel like sharing our wonderful, not needed opinion. Thank you for joining us. I'm Diamond.
Hi everyone.
You're not gonna say your name. See what I'm saying? He ain't never on point. Never on point. Let the people know you. What is your name, sir?
I'm Ed.
Thank you. How? Hi, everyone. I'm Diamond. Again, he's not on point. You see what I'm talking about? This is what I have to deal with. So, we're gonna move on because this one right here. Why are you looking over there for? Is there? Look, this channel is real. There will not be any cutting out and editing of the video. You're gonna get a raw video, uncut, unbiased, unprepared, because that's just how we are. So, what will we be reviewing today? Well, I received an item and it's sold by Mock, don't know, Mock, whatever. It's sold by, it's spelled Mothic. How you say that? Mothic. Whatever. But they are selling on Amazon. They asked me to review one of their wonderful products. And today's product is... Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? You see, this should give you some type of indication of what this item is. As you can see, it has little symbols. Isn't that cute? This is the WinCan Universal Cable Organizer. Everybody needs this. Trust me. You need one. Not just because I received this product for free or at a discounted rate for my unbiased review. But if you are anything like me, I'm speaking to all us women that carry large purses. You throw your phone cable in your purse because it's convenient, it's easy. On the go, you need a cable, you got to be able to charge your stuff. Men who carry laptops, such as this one over here, this works for him as well because, of course, he carries a lot of cables too. So let's unzip it. It doesn't seem like no matter what I do, your face is kind of like covered. But here we go. I'm unzipping it. It comes with double zippers. Isn't that wonderful? They have little things at the end of them that kind of put a little weight to them, so they're not kind of flimsy, as you can see. They're not flimsy. But you open it up, and you got cord organization. Ooh, this is a OCD's dream case. It's a dream case because everything is so neatly. It's just like, it's so neatly prepared for you. Right here are little mesh pockets, which I feel like are to protect your cable, because it bends a lot. Then you got little straps right here to keep it secure, and they spring back, as you can see. You come down here. This is probably for more of your larger cables. You know what I'm saying? So it has like spring action. And then it has a little secret spot to put like SD cards. And it even says it right there. SD cards. So you put like SD cards, your T card readers right here. So cute, right? But is it functional? Well, let's see. Baby, will you hold this? kind of hold it so people can see. You want to hold it from top. Yes, that's right. Cover your face. You know I'm teasing. We have a cord. Yes, you do. Isn't it beautiful? So, magically, you would take and you would probably stick this little part, the little two parts that you want to protect here in this slot. This is how I envision it happening. See how I stuck it in there? So that those two pieces are protected. And then I envision myself feeding it through the elastic band, coming back up and out, adjusting the band appropriately, and boom. Your cord is now secure. Very easy to do. It's a really nice way to hold cords. I have more cords that I could do, but who has time for me to insert cords in every slot? Not I. So, I kind of want to get my husband's perspective on this. Babe, you want to get your perspective on this? My husband is blind, so I always like to get his opinion about the functionality of things because I can see, so it makes sense to me instantly. But for somebody who doesn't see how the product looks in person or on the website, they may view it differently. So, babe, if you had got this, here you go. How would you had entered the cable? I'm going to provide you with the cable. We're going to see how this works. Now, but you got to hold it up to the camera. They ain't not going to see you. So first of all, let me start thinking this one. So what do you think about it first?
It's functional.
You sure? He said it's functional. Leave it to men to only have one word answers. Now, I'm going to give him a cable. Here's a cable. See how wide it is. I didn't know wide mines. Oh. Alright, here you go, babe. So you gotta hold up the camera. I'll hold it for you. So how would you insert it if you were the person inserting it? Apparently, I didn't roll the cord up beautifully enough for him. Because as you can see, he is rolling up the cord. Yes, again, I told you, uncut, raw videos where I just adjusted the camera. Okay, put it in. He's left-handed, so I'm kind of covering him up. So, lift it up higher, baby. There you go. This is how he would put it in. All right, he thought the same thing, that the little pieces go in the slot and that it went up. And as you can see, it's still very functional. They don't shake out. See them shaking it, they're not falling out. So it is very sturdy. This thing is cute. The only way this thing could have been better is if this was not green, but purple. Purple's my favorite color, so yeah, it would have made it better. It would have been rocking if it was purple. But this, again, is a WinCan universal cable organizer. You just close it up, zip it up, toss it in your bag, you're ready to go, and all your cords are safe and protected. So, again, we thank you for joining us at He Works, She Reviews YouTube channel. And we will see you next time with another awesome product review. Bye.
Bye.
He was on point. Yay! I'm sorry. I get excited sometimes. Overly excited. Y'all have a good day. Bye.